Ever looked at the names of Ghana's biggest companies like MTN or GCB Bank and seen those three little letters at the end, PLC? You might have wondered what they mean. Well, they're not just a fancy abbreviation, they're a secret code that tells you a company is open for business with you. A PLC, or public limited company, is a type of company that has made its shares available for the public to buy and sell. Think of it like this. Most businesses are private, but when a private company gets big enough and wants to grow even more, it can decide to become a PLC. This means it goes to the Ghana Stock Exchange and says, "We want to sell pieces of our company to anyone who wants to buy." When you buy a share of a PLC like MTN Ghana, you are literally buying a small piece of that company. You become a part owner or a shareholder. It's a simple but powerful idea. As a beginner, PLCs are your best friends in the investment world for a few key reasons. Safety and trust. PLCs have to follow strict rules set by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. They are regulated by the Ghana Stock Exchange, meaning they must be very transparent about their money and business decisions. Easy to buy and sell. Because PLCs are listed on the Ghana Stock Exchange, it's easy to buy and sell their shares through a licensed broker. If you suddenly need your money back, you won't have to search for a buyer. The market is right there for you. Limited risk. As a shareholder in a PLC, you have limited liability. If the company goes bankrupt, you only lose the money you invested in their shares. Your personal assets are completely safe. A piece of the pie. When PLCs make a profit, they often share it with their shareholders in the form of dividends. These are like a thank you cash payment for being an owner. The letters PLC are a signal that the company is open for business with the public. It's a gateway to investing built on transparency, safety, and opportunity. Now that you know what it means, you'll start seeing these letters everywhere. Comment below and tell me, what is one PLC in Ghana that you've always admired and might want to learn more about? Like and share with friends and family. Follow and subscribe for more updates like this from the nerds.